2, 3. Ini yang namanya surga ya?
Assalamualaikum. Hari ini kita mau cobain nasi kerabu.
Buat pertama kali guys. Jadi nasi kerabunya itu nasi yang warna biru, sama ada kerupuk, ada juga sambal, dan juga ada sayur-sayuran. Ternyata ada ya nasi biru ya. Terus di sini kita juga punya bonteng yang agak beda ya guys. Terus ada lemak juga, ada daging.
Malaysia bukan sekadar destinasi pelancongan dengan bangunan tinggi atau pemandangan indah. Di sebalik kesibukan bandar dan kesederhanaan warung kecil di tepi jalan, negara ini menyimpan satu rahasia yang jarang diperkatakan. Makanannya bukan makanan mahal, bukan juga hidangan mewah bertaraf hotel, tetapi makanan yang ringkas, yang dimasak dengan cara biasa, yang dimakan oleh rakyat setiap hari, nasi, telur, kuah, sambal, ulam. Itulah yang secara senyap-senyap membuat pelancong asing jatuh cinta. Ada yang datang tanpa jangkaan, hanya ingin mencoba. Namun selepas suapan pertama, wajah mereka berubah. Rasa bahagia yang sukar dijelaskan, rasa nikmat yang jujur, sehingga mereka sendiri tidak percaya bagaimana makanan yang kelihatan begitu sederhana mampu memberi kepuasan yang luar biasa. Lebih menarik, pengalaman itu tidak berhenti di meja makan. Andrewan milih mengkongsi di media sosial dengan gambar, video, reaksi spontan. Bukan kerana ia viral, tetapi kerana rasa itu benar-benar menyentuh hati. Bagi mereka, ini bukan sekadar makanan. Karena ini adalah pengalaman, kenangan dan cerita yang ingin dikongsi dengan dunia. Nilai Malaysia dari satu sisi yang jarang orang tahu. Negara yang tidak perlu menunjuk kemewahan untuk membahagiakan orang. Cukup dengan keikhlasan rasa, kepelbagaian budaya, dan kesederhanaan yang penuh nikmat.
Hello Malaysia, I'm French and I live in Kuala Lumpur. I'm about to try something new, nasi kerabu with ayam goreng, blue rice with fried chicken. It looks so colorful and unique. I've never seen rice like this before. It's a little spicy. Not bad. Love it. Do you like it with chicken, fish or something else? Comment below. And don't forget, subscribe and like for more video about my Malaysian food. Terima kasih Malaysia. See you.
1, 2, 7. Ini yang namanya surga ya?
Assalamualaikum. Hari ini kita mau cobain nasi kerabu.
Buat pertama kali guys. Jadi nasi kerabunya itu nasi yang warna biru, sama ada kerupuk, ada juga sambal, dan juga ada sayur-sayuran. Ternyata ada ya nasi biru ya. Terus di sini kita juga punya bonteng yang agak beda ya guys. Terus ada lemak juga, ada daging. Oh, campur ya?
Gaul.
Campur.
Harus gaul macam ni.
Oh, oke. 1, 2, 7. Ini yang namanya surga ya? Ini guys enak banget cuy, enak banget asli. Ini ada lemak. Enak banget. Pantes tempat ini viral guys. Aku pengen cobain bonteng. Agak aneh guys. Enak banget. Tapi pedas sedikit. Aku udah orang lokal, udah warga negara Indonesia guys.
Apa yang membuat makanan Malaysia begitu istimewa di mata pelancong asing bukan semata-mata rasa, tetapi perasaan yang hadir bersamanya. Di negara ini, makanan bukan sekadar untuk mengenyangkan perut, tetapi menjadi medium kebahagiaan yang paling jujur. Nasi kerabu dengan warna birunya yang unik, telur kicap yang kelihatan biasa, kuah yang sederhana, semuanya hadir tanpa pretensi. Namun disitulah kekuatannya. Setiap suapan membawa keseimbangan rasa. Masin, manis, pedas, dan lemak yang saling melengkapi, seolah-olah dicipta untuk menenangkan hati. Pelancong yang mencoba sering terdiam seketika, bukan kerana terkejut semata-mata, tetapi kerana rasa itu mengingatkan mereka kepada sesuatu yang hilang, kesederhanaan yang membahagiakan. Mereka tersenyum, ada yang ketawa kecil, dan ada juga yang mengangguk perlahan, seakan mengakui bahwa kebahagiaan tidak selalu datang dari sesuatu yang mahal, tetapi dari sesuatu yang dibuat dengan jiwa dan keikhlasan.
Hey guys, look what I have. I just came back from a shoot and I'm so
so hungry because I didn't get a chance to eat this morning. Literally on the car ride back, I could hear my stomach like gulu gulu, and I was like, nah, I need some food in me right now. So I told my mom we have to stop at the first place that sells food. And lucky for me, we were driving and we saw these stalls of food and like so many people, and it turned out to be a food university. And they had so many dishes, so many things. And I saw this dish and it just caught my eye because look how beautiful. Wait, let me show you. I mean, look at this. So this is called nasi kerabu. It's a Kelantanese breakfast dish. The rice is made out of bunga telang, also known as butterfly pea flour. That's why it's blue. And then, wait, there's 3 sambal. So you have sambal belacan, the nasi lemak sambal, and the nasi kerabu sambal. Then you have ulam, you have the 1,000-year-old egg, you have shredded coconut and anchovies or ikan bilis, the soybeans, keropok, and we have a grilled chicken and a fried chicken. This is the most excited I've ever been to try a dish because I've always wanted to try nasi kerabu. I've just never had a chance. So let's jump for everything and get started. The thing I'm most excited to try are the 3 different sambals. So I'm gonna try the sambal belacan first. I'm gonna take a bit, take it with my rice, mix some ulam in there. And oh my god, I'm so excited to try this, the coconut with the anchovies. Just take a bit of soy. I'm just gonna mix everything, y'all. Wow. Wait. Wow. That is so fresh. I don't know what I was expecting, but oh my god, like the ulam with the coconut and the anchovies, the sambal, like it just mixes together so well. You have like the perfect combination, freshness, crunchiness, spicy, salty, sweet, mix it all together. Wow. I did not think it was gonna taste like this. And the sambal belacan. Okay, let's try with the sambal from nasi kerabu. Okay, mix. I'm gonna try with a bit of the grilled chicken, soya beans, and the coconut shredded. Wow. Oh my god, you guys, the sambal from the nasi kerabu. It's like sour and so spicy. It's just hitting right now. I'm getting like a hint of lemongrass from the ulam. This fucking coconut shredded ikan bilis is pulling through. And then the chicken just adds that like hard like chewiness. And all together. It's like grilled with sambal. So good. I need a sec to just eat right now because this is insanely good. Guys, when I was sitting in the car hoping to eat some good food, I was thinking I would get good food, but I wasn't thinking it'd be this good. This is it's so good. And the sambals are just hitting differently, man. Like I can't even explain to you. The shredded and the fucking bruh. I forgot about that 1,000 egg. Let's try it a bit. Let's take a bit. Put it in there. Wow. I'm going to say something controversial yet brave. This is like on top with nasi lemak for me right now because I've never tried anything like this. Like it's so fresh, but it's like perfectly spicy and salty and sweet and crunchy, and the textures, like everything is just coming together, and the full flavor profile is just totally rounded. Okay, time to try it with the nasi lemak sambal. I know this is gonna be just mind-blowing because the nasi lemak sambal is like my favorite sambal. Let's try. Nah, guys, I think for me, this is beating nasi lemak right now. Like, what the? It's just so good. Honestly, when I first saw the ulam, I was like, just looked like dry herbs. You know what I mean? I was like, I'm not sure how this is gonna pull through. But literally, every single little like segment of this dish is just bloody pulling through, man. I'm genuinely sad that it's almost the end of the dish. Like, this was such an enjoyable experience. I am shook. I am gagged. I'm just like enjoying every second of this right now, honestly. I can't say which is my favorite sambal because they're all so good. I've just been mixing all three, like just doing my own little, you know what I mean? I really don't want this dish to end. I wish I had taken one more, but I'm so happy I tried this because I don't even feel heavy. You saw how much I ate. I ate everything, and it just feels so light and fresh and juicy. I'm honestly so bloody impressed. I'm like, this is gonna be my new go-to. Well, if you're ever in Malaysia, I strongly suggest trying nasi kerabu. If you have already, I know you know this shit is fire as hell. This is my last bite. Wow. I have no words. Just wow. Y'all, I was so hungry, and not only did this come through, it just made my day so much better. Nasi kerabu for the win. Malaysia boleh, man.
Yang membuat pelancong asing terus mengingati Malaysia bukanlah kemewahan atau populariti, tetapi rasa yang jujur dan pengalaman yang ikhlas. Makanan yang kelihatan biasa inilah yang menjadi jambatan kecil antara budaya, manusia, dan perasaan. Dari satu pinggan nasi, dari satu suapan telur kicap, lahirlah senyuman, ketenangan, dan kenangan yang sukar dilupakan. Tanpa disedari, mereka pulang membawa cerita tentang Malaysia, bukan sebagai negara yang cuba menarik perhatian, tetapi sebagai negara yang memberi rasa bahagia dengan cara paling sederhana. Inilah Malaysia yang jarang orang tahu. In sebuah negara yang tidak perlu berlebih untuk memberi kesan, cukup dengan keikhlasan, kepelbagaian rasa, dan jiwa yang hangat untuk membuat sesiapa sahaja jatuh cinta.